Welcome to aminacademy.com. In digital electronics, let us do some introduction. Nowadays, everywhere around you is an electronic devices. In that, digital electronics is essential to understand the design and working of a wide range of applications, from consumer and industrial electronics to communications, from embedded systems and computers to security and military equipment. As the devices used in these applications decrease the size and employ more complex technology, it is essential for engineers and students to fully understand both the fundamentals and also the implementation and application principles of digital electronics devices and integrated circuits, thus enabling them to use the most appropriate and effective technique to suit their technical needs. What is digital electronics? Digital electronics is the branch of electronics that deals with study of digital signals and components that use to create them. Digital electronics deals with the electronic manipulation of numbers or with the manipulation of varying quantities by means of numbers. Because it is convenient to do so, today's digital systems deal only with the numbers like 0 and 1 because they can be represented easily by off and on within the circuit. Essential components of digital electronics. Digital electronics or the digital circuit comprises various components that perform specific functions. These components are divided into two categories. First one, active components. Second one, passive components. The active components are the transistors and diodes, while passive components are the capacitors and resistors and inductors, etc. What is diode? Diodes are manufactured using semiconductor materials. They are used for allowing the flow of current in a particular direction. Different types of diodes are used in the construction of digital circuits, mostly in computers. Transistors, the semiconductor device with the three terminal is known as a transistor. The main function of the transistor is to amplify the signal, and it is also used as a switching device. Capacitor and inductors. The main function of the capacitor is to store electrical energy. A capacitor is made using two conducting plates, and between these plates an insulator is placed. The change in the current is resisted with the help of an inductor. They are used for storing electric energy in the magnetic field. Logic gates. Logic gates are the basic components of the digital circuit with one output and more than one input. There are a lot of logic gates. Some of them are AND, OR, NOT gates or the basic gates, while NAND, that means not and NOR, not OR, are the universal gates. XOR and XNOR are the special gates. These are some logic gates. Battery and switch. The conversion of chemical energy into electric energy takes place because of the battery. We know that battery is a main source of digital electronics. It is used as a source of energy. The flow of electric current is controlled by using a switch. Next one, resistors. The flow of current in the circuit is opposed by the resistor. The fixed resistor and variable resistors are the two types of resistors. All the resistors work on the basis of Ohm's law. Some advantages of digital system over analog system. The transmission of data in digital system takes place without degradation due to noise when compared to an analog system. The digital system comes with the noise immunity. That means mostly no noise, which makes storing data easier because very less noise. Whereas the analog system undergoes wear and tear because there are some mechanical parts also there, which degrades the information in storage. The digital system comes with an interface with computers, which makes it easy to control the data. The system can be kept bug-free by updating the software. This feature is not available in the analog system. That means mostly it's a bug-free in digital system. Some disadvantage also there in digital system. Those are, though the digital system has noise immunity and better storage, it does have disadvantages also. The energy consumed by the digital system is more compared to the analog system. This energy is consumed in calculations and signals processing, resulting in heat generation also. These systems are expensive, but nowadays its expenses are reduced manner by using new technologies in digital electronics. The digital system are fragile. That is, if one of the digital data is misinterpreted, the final data will change completely. Taking care of analog issues in digital system could be demanding as analog components are used in designing the digital systems. Application of digital circuits. Digital electronics or digital circuits are an integral part of electronic devices, and here are uses of digital circuits. The display of digital watches is designed based on digital circuits. Rocket science and quantum computing use digital electronics, that is minute calculations necessary here. The automatic door work on the principle of digital electronics. Everyday encounters with traffic lights are based on digital circuits. Still more advantages or applications are there. In future videos, we will explain detail about how the digital electronics works and how the equipment works under the digital electronics. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.